सलमान होल्ड द बुक. आपने नोटिस किया होगा बाकी सबके पास एक ज्योग्राफी विद बजरंगी भाईजान है, आपके पास भूगोल विद बजरंगी भाईजान है, हिंदी. हाँ, तो आपने बोला था दिस इज द
थोड़ा सा
लास्ट बुक
अलग
दैट
हूँ
यू
मैं.
रेड. थोड़ा पढ़ के थोड़ा एक रीडिंग हो जाए सलमान. नहीं नहीं नहीं, गणेश, सलीम साहब, गणेश गणेश ने आके पढ़ाया है,
मेरे को
तो
शर्म
थोड़ा तो
आती
कुछ उसका भी इज्जत का ख्याल
नहीं, मेरे
कीजिए.
को शर्म
थोड़ा
आती है.
हिंदी पढ़ना भी इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. आई कीप टेलिंग माय चिल्ड्रन
कम.
हिंदी पढ़ो.
विवान
हिंदी
पड़ेगा.
हिंदी.
A little girl gets separated from her mother at the New Delhi train station. She cannot read, write, or speak. She is lost and helpless. She approaches.
भी बाप की थोड़ी स्टोरी टेलिंग डाल लो अंदर तो फायदा हो जाएगा.
She sees a man singing in the distance. He seems to have a number of followers. They fondly call him Bajrangi.
There, it's just adorable.
Um, she approaches him for help, but since she cannot speak, he cannot figure where she is from. He realizes she is lost and hungry. He first asks if she would like some parathas to eat. She nods yes. He asks if she is from New Delhi or Gurgaon. She nods no.
He realizes she is lost and hungry. He first. Okay. Delhi is the capital of India. Its landmarks include India Gate, Qutub Minar, and Red Fort. Gurgaon in Haryana first shot to fame when Maruti Suzuki set up shop here. Many other large companies followed suit.
Now read. Yes.
So he says, Muni, I will say the names of cities and you raise your hand when I have the right answer. Kanjur, Kanpur, Solapur, Jodhpur, Bilaspur, Dizpur. Kanpur is the largest city in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is located on the banks of the Ganga River, Ganges River.
Very good.
Now come here.
Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is known as the city of joy. One of its many joys is the snack puchka, which is at once crunchy and liquidy. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. It is a popular hill station and is said to have been built over 7 hills.
Dehradun, the capital of Uttarakhand, is located at the foothills of the Himalayas. The state is renowned for the Valley of Flowers.
Yeah, book down slightly and now chin. Please.
Bajrangi story, leave the facts.
Bajrangi's friend Rasika joins them. She notices Muni isn't eating. She offers Muni a glass of milk, but Muni just wants to go home. So Rasika says, Muni, are you from Gandhinagar, Chennai, Hyderabad, Srinagar? No luck.
Turn it around.
Last page I'll read.
Okay.
For the full story of how Bajrangi Bhaijan takes Munni back to her home in Pakistan, watch the movie Bajrangi Bhaijan again and again.
And the second half of this book is coming after some time.
That's wonderful.
After Bajrangi Bhaijan becomes a big hit. Otherwise, Sairu, no point, no?
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I hope you can also get your copy of Geography with Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Give it to your, the kids that you love the most. I, for one, think that it's a very proud moment for all of us in the team to know that the film has generated a wonderful book that children can read and take home, and the association can just last longer. So thank you so much for being here. Please go and watch the film tomorrow. It's really awesome, even though I say so myself. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you.
क्या कभी आप चाहेंगे कि आपके ऊपर बुक आए या आप खुद अपनी ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखना चाहेंगे?
क्या पूछा है?
क्या सलमान के ऊपर कभी कोई बुक वो चाहेंगे कि कोई लिखे या फिर वो खुद लिखेंगे?
आप लिखिए ना।
मौका मिले तो जरूर।
अरे आप तो वैसे ही इतना लिखती हैं।
We will
I'm from a TV channel, so दिखाते हैं।
give you all the
दिखाते हैं।
details. हम आपको बहुत मटेरियल देंगे, आप लिखिए।
Whoever's intending to write a book on Salman, he's your resource completely.
सेंसर होना मुश्किल होगी।
और
You
फिर
are
आप
ready?
अपना भी बना सकती हैं।
You are ready for that? Like आप चाहते हैं आपके ऊपर कोई बुक लिखे? कभी सोचा है? Like सलमान की लाइफ के बारे में हर कोई जानना चाहता है। See, everyone is saying.
And as you can see, he's
How
not
interested everyone is in my life.
Okay, any more questions?
I don't think that'll be possible. Because मैं बजरंग बली का भक्त हूँ, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता और उस किताब में बहुत सारे झूठ बोलने पड़ेंगे। तो
Hi, Salman. Salman here. Salman here. Tomorrow is a big day for your fans. They have their tickets booked. What about you? Are you planning to go and catch the film at some theaters? Will you be going to Haji Ali? What's your plan for tomorrow?
my plan tomorrow is to chill at home with my family. जितनी मेहनत करनी थी हमको कर चुके हैं। एक दो दिन, we'll relax and then I go back into Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. So I'll just get these 2-3 days off.
सलमान, जैसे आपने कहा कि ये बुक आपकी लास्ट थी जो आपने पढ़ी, पहली बुक कौन सी थी सिलेबस से हटकर जो आपने पढ़ी? याद आता है कुछ?
देखो यार,
पहली बुक पढ़ी ही नहीं थी।
यहीं से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। उसके फर्स्ट और लास्ट है।
उससे जंप किया था पहली बुक पहले। सेकंड से शुरू किया था।
Hi, my question is to Kabir Salman. Of course, it's a kid's book that we've launched today, and the internet seems to be another tool for learning as far as kids are concerned. We were hearing about this issue called net neutrality. In a sense, the government has now come in support of net neutrality. How do you react to it now?
Yeah, I think it's a very positive development because I don't think the government needs to get into each and every aspect of our lives. I think it's a country that is progressing, developing at a massive pace, and we need to start getting away from regressive thoughts of trying to control what people are saying. I think people are intelligent enough to figure out what's good for them, what's not good for them, and I don't think government stepping into the space of trying to control internet is at all a good development for a country like us.
So, do you think it's good news for people?
Of course, it is.
Salman, are you someone who goes on the internet? Of course, you tweet compulsively.
Yeah, but as long as you're going with your real identity, I think it's okay. I mean, we've been given this liberty of using a false identity, to आँखों की शर्म, father के सामने, थोड़ा सा liberty ले सकते हैं. Parents at an early age should not find out, so you go on a different name. But to take it to another level, you need to have, control over your language. Especially when, all these kids also will be on the same platform. So when they follow us, they're exposed to all this kind of rubbish. So I think that checking should be there. And if you really want to voice your opinion, then I think you should own that opinion. You should be responsible for it.
Absolutely. I think when the whole concept of freedom of expression came in, I think they meant you need to be responsible for what you're saying. You can't hide behind, fictitious names and then have freedom of expression. That's not freedom of expression. That's abuse of expression. And that happens a lot on the internet, unfortunately.
I mean, they're all cowards, I believe.
Hi, Kabir, Salim sir. right here in the center. This is a question a little bit away from the exact topic, but specifically for you and Salim Saab. The FTII issue, students have been protesting for a long time, and now a new circular has come out that the students need to be rusticated if they continue on the strike. You're a filmmaker, there's a lot of talent pool coming out of that institute. Salman, I'm sure you're aware of it as well. What is your take on that with the situation as of right now?
Again, my take on it is similar to what I said. The government really does not need to intrude into certain areas. Yes, unfortunately, we do have the government's involvement in the appointment of the chairperson of this institute. But they should, as the years progress, I think they should step out of it. I think it should be an autonomous institute. It should be able to take care of itself. And it's unfortunate that political appointments are being made in institutions of education. And in this particular case, I think the gentleman concerned should have the dignity to step back himself, because I think the chairperson of a film school, because I'm from a film school myself, it's a very intimate relationship. And you cannot, demand respect. You have to command it. And therefore, I think in this case, he should just step back and it should be resolved. And as far as rusticating students is concerned, I think it's absurd, because as long as they're doing it via peaceful means, they should have the right to be able to express their angst against whatever they think is not correct.
Salim Saab, anything that you would like to say on this?
मेरा तो बहुत simple ख्याल ये है कि wherever I am not welcomed, wherever I am not wanted, मैं तो उस जगह पे रहना भी पसंद नहीं करूँगा. I will never go. अब इतना opposition है, लोग नहीं चाहते हैं, तो you should withdraw from the situation with dignity. That's all. It's as simple as that.
Salman, do you have anything to say about this? There are so many actors, veteran actors who've come from FTI, directors who I'm sure you have worked with. The students are protesting against the appointment of this chairman, Gajendra Chauhan. Anything you have to say?
Well, I think then he should listen to the students.
Okay.
Because the students have made our industry what the industry is, most of them.
Salman.
And some of them were rusticated as well.
Yeah.
What's the next question?
आपकी फिल्म कल रिलीज हो रही है इंडिया में, साथ ही पाकिस्तान में भी रिलीज हो रही है, लेकिन एक पाकिस्तानी फिल्म है बिन रॉय, माहिरा खान स्टारर, उसको महाराष्ट्र में रिलीज नहीं होने दिया जा रहा है. तो अब क्या कितना सही या गलत आपको लगता है कि इंडियन फिल्म को पाकिस्तान में रिलीज होने दिया जा रहा है, लेकिन इंडिया में पाकिस्तानी फिल्म रिलीज नहीं हो पा रही है?
देखिए,
see, don't confuse a state policy with what a particular outfit is saying, right? So it's not like the government of India has objected to that film. So I think equating the two about the government of Pakistan allowing Bajrangi Bhaijaan to release and one small political outfit here protesting, you cannot equate the situation.
Okay.
Still,
for example,
political
we got a U certificate in Pakistan. Out here we got UA.
Salman?
And
Salman?
Can we just stick to the book and the film and questions
is that
to that?
the film should be released everywhere.
Yeah,
Salman,
the lady in the red. The lady in the red.
For the fact that it release across India tomorrow and Pakistan as well. Down south, Bahubali is already doing well, and there's another film of Dhanush which will come. Do you see it will probably eat into the business of Bajrangi Bhaijaan? Are you worried about that?
See, it will, but it depends on the film as well. If mouth publicity and the people like the film, then we have got no worries at all.
Yeah. The lady in the red.
सलमान, आपकी फिल्म कल रिलीज हो रही है. एक सलमान खान फिल्म जो होती है उसकी एडवांस बुकिंग काफ़ी हो जाती है, टिकट्स अवेलेबल नहीं होते, पर आपकी फिल्म की टिकट्स अभी भी काफ़ी अवेलेबिलिटी है कल के लिए, तो क्या रीज़न है?
क्योंकि आप नहीं गई टिकट लेने. अगर आप चली जाती तो ये सवाल उठता ही नहीं.
Also, I think your facts are incorrect. It's the biggest advance booking till now. So
she knew about that. She knew about that. But ऐसे ही.
It's just been 27 hours since we've opened our advance booking.
Any other questions? Are we done?
In a couple of screenings over the last few days, what are the best compliments that you've received so far from whoever has seen it?
No one said anything. Nobody said anything. When they come out of the film, they're like,
आपके डैड ने क्या कहा?
and they've got a smile on their face. They're like tears in their eyes, and they wait in the theater till the rolling titles are over, and then they start coming out. I mean, you guys have been outside the theaters as well on the screen. Have you seen anyone come out and say anything? So now we're going to keep them there for some more time, an hour, hour and a half, and then you might get a reaction. Because we're getting a reaction after about कितने घंटे बाद? दो तीन घंटे बाद, the next day. What a film! What an amazing movie! What a positive film! It's actually an elevating experience watching this movie.
सलीम साहब, आपने भी फिल्म देखी है, आपका क्या रिएक्शन था? आपने क्या कहा सलमान को फिल्म देखने के बाद?
एक्सेलेंट, एक्सेलेंट, कोई डाउट नहीं है उस फिल्म पे, एब्सोल्युटली फुल प्रूफ।
क्या अब तक की सलमान की करियर का ये बेस्ट रोल है अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
या, आई थिंक सो। It is not one of the best, probably the best actually.
My God, I think after Salim Saab's final word, we don't need anything else. It's Salman Khan's best performance till date, according to Salim Saab. So I don't know what.
Till the next one coming up,
Till the next one. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We'll just take one last question and then we'll be done.
सलमान, इस बुक को लाने की कोई खास वजह थी? इसके पीछे क्या राज है?
Amazing, ना? Last question. Yeah, sure. बाकी का किसी का ख्याल नहीं है।
नहीं।
ये यूनिटी है।
Yeah.
जी हाँ।
इस बुक को लाने की कोई खास वजह थी? क्या सिर्फ एक प्रमोशन के तौर पे, या फिर जर्नी इतनी स्वीट रही कि इस बुक को लाने की?
Nice question.
It's a very good question. अब इसमें पकड़ो उसको। देखिए, ये दो है हिंदी and English में। अब yeah, I'm going to ask. Yeah? Yes, sweetheart. Yes, sweetheart. I like reading.
We will
I
put
like
your question
listening.
on hold and take
I'm
this
like
question.
a sponge. Whatever I see, whatever, and if there's a visual with what I read, I can understand that better. So, whenever in geography या biology या कहीं पर भी जब भी एक visual आता था, एक picture आता था, I could grasp that much better. So that is the reason why we thought, okay, we will have this book. And so अगर geography सिखानी है तो इस तरीके से सिखाओ जहाँ पे pictures हैं, beautiful तस्वीरें हैं, visuals हैं, तो उससे दिमाग में एकदम directly पहुँच जाता है.
Amazing.
सलीम सर,
I hope that answered your question. All right.
पिक्चर का जो इम्पैक्ट है उसका मैं एक छोटा सा आपको एक इंसिडेंट सुनाता हूँ कि गांधी जी के बारे में मैंने पढ़ा था, सारी किताबें पढ़ी, सारा लिटरेचर पढ़ा गांधी जी के बारे में। जब ये फिल्म आई ऑटनबरा की तो मैं इरॉस में देखने गया, और जब मैं नीचे उतर रहा था फिल्म से देखने के बाद तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं जितना भी अच्छा इंसान था या जितना भी था उससे कुछ बेहतर नीचे उतर रहा हूँ। एक इतना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट था कि आई फेल्ट, इतना मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं जैसा भी था, वॉट एवर आई एम, I mean, everybody wants to grow, everybody wants to improve, but I felt while coming down कि मैं थोड़ा सा बेहतर आदमी उतर रहा हूँ।
And this is the same thing. And this is the same thing this film is going to do as well. So you watch the film, you will see the nobility of the character, all the characters in the movie, and you'll come back and you'll think, yeah, we need to be like these people. Not only Bajrangi, but everybody in the movie. You'll want to be that. So it's a really nice, beautiful film. We're trying our best to see that a lot of people, go and see it now and then later on when released on satellite. So the more the people see it, the more, the people like this movie and they go and see it again and again, and the more they praise it. We know that the country is moving in the right direction.
Salim sir, on your center.
That was nobody is listening to me when I say it's the last question. This is not on. Who wants to ask what? Let me decide whether it's a nice question.
My love, jaane ja, you're my love.
Salim sir, on your center.
No dance steps. This is a book launch. Yes,
book
the
launch
gentleman in the white shirt. No, this is.
सलीम सर, जैसा कि अभी आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि बहुत अच्छे डैडी बन सकते हैं सलमान खान, लेकिन आपको नहीं लगता कि इनका इंतजार बहुत ही लंबा होते जा रहा है, बहुत ही लंबा करा रहे हैं ये इंतजार?
ये सवाल का अल्लाह मियां भी जवाब नहीं दे सकते।
All right. I think the final word has been spoken. Thank you. Let's have a warm round of applause once again for the publishing team who put together such a beautiful book. Thank you, ladies, for giving birth to such a beautiful book. And to all these three gentlemen who have been
Sairu,
the
you're
fodder.
clapping.
Come on, Sairu, clap.
We were going to introduce Harshali today with this book.